What you really want to be concerned about is your cost per sold hour. This is way more important than what you're paying somebody hourly. And I'm going to show you what I mean. The cost per sold hour is simply their weekly gross wages divided by the hours they produced, right? The sold hours they produced, or the credited hours or billed hours, whatever your system calls it. And then the last number you really need to understand is your labor gross profit. Your labor gross profit is simply the amount of labor sales you get to keep. So let's go through the cost per sold hour exercise so you can see what I'm talking about. We have Tech One here. We're paying him $20 an hour. He's producing 15 hours a week. Oh yeah, Rick, that doesn't really happen. It happens more than you think. Now this guy's working 45 hours a week and he's getting $950 a week with the overtime. So what we do is we divide that $950 by 15 hours, and this tech is costing you $63.33 of labor per sold hour. Think about that for a second. If your effective labor rate's $97, that means 65.29% of your labor sales is going to pay this technician. This is why you don't have money at the end of the month for your bills, is because we're not watching what our labor cost is. You want your labor cost to be 25% of your labor sales, right? So that you're making 75% gross profit in labor. Here's a Tech 2. Now remember, Tech 1, $20 an hour, cost 65%. Here's a text coming in saying, hey man, I want $60 an hour. And you're thinking, holy crap, I can't afford that. But this guy is a producer, baby. He can get you 75 hours a week. Now, you step in, he's working 40 hours a week. That's $2,400 a week. Divide the $2,400 by 75. This guy's costing you $32 per sold hour. With an effective labor rate of $97, this is 32.99%. Now, is it where I want to be at the 25? No. But I'll tell you what, I can pay this guy $60 an hour all day long compared to the guy at 20. The guy, I can't afford the guy at $20 an hour. It's not what you're paying somebody per hour. It's what they're costing you per sold hour. That's the number you need to really figure out.